How to smooth skin in CapCut Mobile. Let's get into it. With your app open, click into the edit panel, then come to popular tools, make sure you have general enabled and then choose retouch. Then select the footage that you want to retouch, then come down to edit. Next, from the tools at the bottom, select face, click none, otherwise it's going to add an auto style, and then select retouch. This will open up all the settings that we want to configure. So for in this case, we want to select clear blemishes and then increase this slider like so until you're happy with the reduction. We can then click into even skin and then increase this slider until we have a more even skin tone. There are a bunch of other different tools that you can use. So for example, if you want to de-wrinkle, you can use this, but for right now, I'm happy with the progress here. Once you're happy, just click the tick to tick out of it. And then when you play your video back, you'll notice that it's applied to every frame of your video. We can see the before and after by just simply undoing what we just done and then redoing it again, and we can see the impact that that effect has had on our video, and that's all there is to it.